Hi everybody. Typhur sent me this air fryer, this super sleek, modern designed air fryer. It looks amazing and it also can cook a lot of wings. So I'm super stoked to give this a whirl today. We're going to be making a steak. I have a ribeye steak. And fingers crossed that this comes out great. Alright, so we're going to go down to steak. 450 for 10 minutes. What I'm going to do, I want to preheat this. So I'm just going to press start. It's preheating right now. So I think it's going to take approximately 6 minutes to preheat. Let that preheat. Now I'm a simple person when it comes to steak. I use salt, pepper, that's it. Because I want to taste the steak. If I was making this for someone else, I would make it the way they wanted it. But this is a nice ribeye. It's a boneless ribeye. It's my favorite steak. It was in the freezer, so it's defrosted. It is a little chilly willy. I tried to take it out a little bit sooner. So it could come up to room temperature. For now, maybe like 15-20 minutes. So I am just going to take plain old salt. My favorite kosher salt is the diamond crystals. I don't like Morton too much, to be honest with you. But everybody's different. Use what you have. You got Himalayan, use that. Flip this guy. A little bit more salt. And that's all I do to my steaks. Boom, done. We've got 20 seconds left. It's nice it doesn't get hot. There's that sound. I kind of like that. I'm gonna take this lovely steak here. All right. We have about 6 minutes left. I just want to take a peek at this steak just for fun here. It's kind of pale. Huh. I think this is the max temperature setting too. All right. Let's see. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I just want some more caramelization on top. All right, it's 5 minutes. It says to flip it, but ay. Oh, the bottom's okay. There we go. Seems to be getting more heat from the bottom. All right, like I said, Lisa, just hold your horses, relax. It's warmer because it's 450 degrees. I feel it, but it's not like unbearable hot here. Okay, so I need to just relax. We got 5 minutes to go, and we're gonna see how this steak is. So we have 40 seconds left. I do want to do a quick temp before this thing stops, because if it's not done to my liking, I'll just continue to cook it. So I'm just going to pull it out. All right, it's like super rare. It's like 93, 92 degrees. I'm actually going to tack on some minutes here. I'm going to do 5 minutes, but I'm going to come back and check it in like 2.5, 3 minutes. We got 2 minutes left on the extra time I added. I'm going to flip it. Right, or 108, 109. Because what I found, usually meat goes up like anywhere from 8 to 10 degrees after it's done. So I'm going to let it cook for the 2 minutes and then we're going to pull it. I did like that sound. Sorry. So, pop it. It's 1:14, so I'm going to pull it and let it rest for a bit. Alright, so here's the steak. Me personally, I think I'd want more brownage, the caramelization. Let's cut it and see what's happening here. Let's cut this little tail off. Steak's tender, that I can say. It's cooked perfect for me. A lot of people out there don't like it this way, but I think it's perfect. Might be, I don't know. Let's just try a piece here. It's good. it outside is so much better, not gonna lie. But this is an air fryer, so it's pretty good. I will say this air fryer is pretty good. There's a learning curve with all the air fryers because people get, I don't know what to say, they get bummed out or stressed out or whatever. I'm not sure if there's going to be a group for this air fryer, but join any air fryer group to learn about how to use your air fryer. And it's just, there's a lot of trial and error. It's the way it goes. But I mean, if you're just doing prepackaged stuff, it's ideal. But the wings, just see how you like them. This is, you know, I put it to the test, and yeah, it's an awesome air fryer for large amounts of food, which is awesome because Super Bowl's coming up for the US people. Or even like a birthday party or something like that. Like you could have this thing going, like making wings and fries and a whole bunch of different like appetizers. I mean, I would even do garlic bread in here for like if you made spaghetti on the regular stove or in your Ninja, put garlic bread in here. I would, you know, that might be something to do in the future. But yeah, definitely snacks of all sorts, and especially reheating. Reheating pizza is really good in an air fryer. It's so much better than an oven. But the footprint on this is quite large, so I would have a dedicated space for this unit on the countertop if you have the space. If you don't have the space, maybe get like a little table or something. But like over here in my corner, I got the mixer, the blender, so I might have to get a little table for this one. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, there's going to be a link down in the description if you're interested in this air fryer, because it is going on sale, I think this week. So I'm going to get this video out. So yeah, thanks everybody. Bye.